All right, let's see. Okay, so a lot of response for B. What are the large chambers of the heart that pump blood to the lungs and body? So that's correct. That's going to be the ventricles. Remember, ventricles are the pumping chambers, atria are the receiving chambers. Okay, let's look at another. All right. All right, so we kind of have a mixed popularity in terms of the responses. So B and D. When the ventricles are contracted, what is the state of the valves? So quite a few of you selected B, let's see. Bicuspid and tricuspid valves open, aortic and pulmonary valves closed. Let's get back to that. The second most popular option was D. Bicuspid and tricuspid valves closed, semilunar valves open. And so we really want to think about the question here. So it's saying that the ventricles are contracted. So the ventricles are actively trying to squeeze blood. And we want to think about where we want that blood to go. It's going to need to go into the artery. And so any option that says the semilunar or the pulmonary valve or the aortic valve are closed is wrong, because the semilunar valves need to be open when the ventricles are contracting. So option A is wrong. Option B is also wrong because it says that the pulmonary valves are closed. That's incorrect. Option C is wrong. Semilunar valves are closed. So the only correct option here is option D. The bicuspid and tricuspid valves are closed. That's also really important because as that ventricle is contracting, as it's squeezing, what we don't want is blood to go back into the atria. So it's really important that the AV valves are closed. And again, to guide the blood where we need it to go, which is into the artery, the semilunar valves, aortic and pulmonary must be open. So the correct option here was D. Alrighty. All right, let's take a look at another here. All right, last couple of seconds here. All right, let's see. So it looks like D was the most popular response. So what is the order of vasculature from left side of the heart to right side of the heart? So anything that starts with a vein is wrong, right? So A and C are wrong. Anything that starts with anything other than arteries is wrong. So automatically we can eliminate A, B, and C. So it's arteries, arterioles, capillaries in the middle, venules, and then veins, right? From right side of the heart, from left side of the heart to the right side of the heart, yes. For a minute, I thought the question asked about right to left, so that would have completely changed the answer. So we're going from left to right. So it's going to be arteries, arterioles, capillaries, venules, and veins, right? So option D. And you can see how I could have swapped that question around and made it an entirely different question if I asked from the right side of the heart to the left side of the heart. Okay, so just be mindful of reading your questions carefully and slowly. All right.